Stockton Unified School District students are getting a head start on their future. Through Career Technical Education, or CTE, they're learning real-world skills in everything from engineering and robotics to healthcare, law, and construction.
Technical education is a series of courses that help prepare students to enter an occupation in a wide variety of different industry fields. We have 50 different CTE pathways in Stockton Unified. Automotive, like you see behind me, but also welding, construction, computer software design, web design, engineering, a whole slew of things in the medical profession. Really kind of anything that's going to appeal to a student's passions, interests, and talents.
Each pathway connects classroom learning to hands-on experience, helping students discover their interests, build confidence, and take their first big step toward a meaningful career.
The excitement and the enthusiasm that the students have when they get into the Fairgrounds and see all 50 of our CTE pathways at work, they get a chance to physically see, this is where I think I fit well.
This year's CTE 8th grade showcase preview night and resource fair brings it all together.
Parents can also experience our CTE showcase on November 3rd from 5 to 7 p.m. They have the opportunity to go out to Fairgrounds and get to see the showcase in action.
A one-night event where families can explore, connect, and experience the possibilities firsthand.
This is a great opportunity to see what is available for your students, and also to interact with the teachers. There's going to be a lot of other opportunities there too. Delta College will be there. A lot of our programs flow directly into it.
It's an evening to explore more than 50 CTE pathways, enjoy food, and find the right program for your student's future. It's all part of Stockton Unified's mission to help every student rise stronger together.
Really, the whole point of it is to see what they are going to be doing, not just telling them about it.
SUSD, where students build their futures, one skill at a time. In Stockton, Melinda Meza for the Stockton Unified School District.